Darkness Falls here in Columbus, Indiana. You go to the When Darkness Falls Haunted Trail here at the CERA Sports Park. This is our first time ever being here. We don't know anything about what we're getting into other than it's a haunted trail, but we do know we've heard some great things about it. And since Fear Fair is not open anymore, we do know that some of their actors are here this year. So we should be in for a really good show, and we're excited to take you guys with us through the trail. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
They won't touch you.
Okay.
Watch your step and make sure all your items are super in your pockets, okay?
Okay.
Got it.
Got it.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see if we make it to the other side. I'm gonna follow the light. Ooh, there's a skelly over there. Uh-oh.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
I didn't do it.
My child support.
Oh, Lordy.
You can't prove anything.
It looks just like Tyler.
I know.
You can't prove me anything. Anyhow,
Child support.
good luck getting any support with that on.
Give me something. I can't have been there last elevator ride.
Right?
Right? Oh, thank you.
Something else up there.
Lovely. Oh,
Nice.
that's a cool bunny. I think my bunny might be
Evil
able to
Woods bunnies.
fly.
Take her as my child support.
I
Well,
have a
you're
friend.
welcome to try, but I'm pretty confident you'll probably bring her back pretty quick.
Oh, it sounds scary down there.
It
Are
looks
you gonna
scary.
protect us?
No,
Why?
I gotta get my payment somehow.
Oh God, okay. They're screaming.
Who you got in the back?
Eric.
Oh, of course, that's who I thought it was. Here, I know you're gonna get scared too. I can't wait.
Uh-oh. That's a bloody body.
There you go.
Ooh,
Oh, God.
CERAland Park. Oh crap. Oh geez.
Oh my.
What happened? Somebody, I don't want to go in the fog.
Something bad happened.
What in the
blowed
world?
up.
Oh, God.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Oh, there's a thing out here. Whoa, there's a weapon. There's a
What
weapon.
is that?
Ooh,
God.
that guy's got a really
God.
cool looking mask.
Oh my.
God. There's a red bloodlight up here. Oh,
Oh God.
oh goodness.
I don't know what to make of it.
whoa.
Oh God. Over there.
Oh,
Evil
that looks like a
Bushman.
scarecrow.
Oh God.
Oh, they're circling us.
Oh God.
I don't know about it.
It's never good walking through sheets in the middle of the woods.
You're right.
Next to a sketchy cabin.
Oh.
Yeah, see? I told you.
Ooh, see, yep, there was somebody. No,
Nope, don't come get him.
No. Shoot, that's not good. What is it? I can't see what it is, but I can hear it.
He's got something poking out his head.
Oh God.
Yep.
Ooh, that one's got some like
Oh my.
bones sticking out of his back there.
Well,
Oh,
this
well,
is fast food.
I'm trying to go away. Oh, good Lord, there's a wolf in there. Whoa.
Oh
Ooh,
God.
it's a hairy wolf. It is almost a full
God.
moon. Ooh, there's a ghostess over there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what's on the other side of that light. I don't like it.
Spider-Mans.
Oh, there's another ghost. See, I knew it. They were hiding right behind that light.
Oh God.
Shoot. That's awesome. Oh.
They got blinders back here.
Oh God.
Jeez, what was that?
Got sounds.
Oh, that was the
God.
Oh, what are you doing up there?
How you doing?
What we're
What are
doing?
you doing up there? Yeah. Well, yeah.
Oh.
Diamond Man.
Oh, jeez, he got down.
Boy, come down.
He got down.
Coming down. He's gonna get you, Nora.
Yeah.
I don't know where he went.
There he is.
Whoa. Ooh, this is getting deeper. Oh, crap. Okay, that is Tyler behind me. Oh, shit. Oh, good God almighty. Whoa. Hiya. Whoa. That's fun.
I felt it wrestling my hair.
I am not trusting the lights out here.
Oh, good
Shit,
God.
fire. Uh-oh, I saw a shadow. Ooh, he looks like he's been there a minute, huh? Uh-oh, there's blood spray. And more blood spray.
Oh, God.
Oh, hello. Ooh, that's probably why there's blood spray. He has a kniffy.
Oh, I love the taste of human flesh.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So delicious.
We'll take.
Look at poor Billy. He hangs out.
Oh, Billy.
Oh.
Love you.
Where? Oh! That was a
no
good
Billy up there.
distraction. Well, that's Billy right
Oh,
there.
that's Billy. Okay, yeah.
Wow, you did a number on Billy.
Oh, Billy loved to run, but he runs no more.
Nope. Nope. He's just hanging around.
We
now.
don't need to join Billy, just in case you're wondering.
Oh, God.
Shoot. Chainsaw! Woo! Ooh, it's a skull with a chainsaw.
Skull man with a chainsaw.
Chainsaw! Oh, he's right behind you, Eric.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Ticket booth is open.
Oh, that one had some really good looking. Oh, there's behind you.
Oh, they come out.
That mask, yeah.
The mask is dope.
Oh goodness. High Strike, Mystic Madam. Ooh, that's some cool stuff.
Oh, this is a nice little relic.
I don't know if I trust you.
Oh,
Oh, geez, that's a big lollipop.
It is.
It looks like it might be
You guys
blueberry.
want to play a game?
Sure.
Pick a prize off the wall.
Off the wall?
Yeah, pick a prize. I gotta get rid of one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Any of them.
We're gonna go with
Which one?
Minnie Mouse. Yeah, that was good. He's coming down the trail at us.
He's back in the woods.
My finger.
Oh crap. I know.
Oh, God.
Shoot. There's a monster in here.
Darkness falls.
That's not it.
Oh,
They
it's a dead
tricked
end?
us. Yes. They tricked us.
Dirty suckers. I blame the clowns.
It's it's his fault. He was standing there.
I still blame the clowns.
I blame Billy.
You blame Billy. Poor Billy. Uh-oh. We have 3 different options.
Oh,
That's
God.
not an option. Okay, 2 options. I'm going with this one. Whew. All right, let's
We're in
see.
the maze of deceit.
Uh-huh. Nasty. Oh, shoot.
God.
There's another one. Okay. Maybe that way?
Hands.
Ooh, that's creepy. That's creepy. Oh, God.
God.
Oh, it's Mr. B. He's sneaky.
He's everywhere.
I think we saw the-
Whoa,
oh,
where did that one come from?
oh, he's running off to tell the other. Oh, God.
Oh, there's more than one. Oh, that one has a gas mask on too, Eric. Path is really cool.
Yeah, it's a good idea because it's.
Oh,
Yeah!
Wow. That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah. This is awesome. He went that way. Ooh.
Look at those teeth.
I know. Oh, God. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, he's going to be using that shovel if we don't watch it. Ooh, look at all the spider webs.
Ooh, look at this.
This is awesome.
Nice.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, no! That's a good spot right there. I saw the curtain as soon as, yeah. Ooh. Oh,
Uh-oh.
that one is real. Whoa, what in the world? Whoa. Wow, that is really cool. Yeah. You guys see that that's somebody just creepily standing up there? Oh, with a weapon. Oh, with like maybe a 2x4 or something. He disappeared.
Your hat back?
Shoot. Uh-oh. He gave us a sign. I didn't do it.
I did it.
I didn't do it either. Give me my hat back.
It was.
Oh, God.
I don't know.
Killed Billy.
What?
Look at this mask.
He,
It's awesome.
he just needed to
No,
go.
no. No, that's not necessary. Oh my God.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Yeah!
Oh crap. Whoa. Oh my. Woo! That's awesome. Oh, that's good. I don't know if I'm supposed to go that way or not. I think so. What was that? Whoa, okay.
God, I can't see what's
Woo!
happening.
Woo! There's somebody down there. Wow. Oh, I like the barn too.
There's clowns.
Woo!
Oh, they're in the walls. Oh, there they
Whoa,
are.
no.
Oh, God.
No! I keep it.
said give 'em to
I
me.
keep it to them. No.
Oh, fire.
Oh! There's flames over there. Tyler, there's your hat on your
Oh,
kid.
Oh, yeah.
Ew. Oh my God, what an
my.
evil.
All right, here we go. Swamp time.
Laser swamp. Oh my. Oh, somebody's down there. Oh,
Well, I mean, I don't think so.
I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass.
I feel like I'm gonna drown. There's 2 layers. Whoa.
Will you play with the baby?
I will not.
Oh, whoa.
Baby!
No, God.
Play with the baby!
He got me good.
Will you play with the baby?
No.
Play with the baby!
They can really. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, that one's got a bat. Look out, look out. That one's got a bat. No. You ain't hit nobody with that, have you?
Look at this guy.
No, that's
Yeah.
That's not why there's
that's
any
not
blood on the
human
end of
blood,
it.
right? Not human blood.
No, no way.
Okay.
Oh my!
That was a
come
good
out
one.
of
That was a
everywhere.
good. You have more behind you? Okay, good.
Sounds
Yeah?
like it. Yep,
Oh crap.
Yep, they're still stalking us.
Oh yeah.
Oh my! It's the beakman.
Oh goodness.
Doctor's gonna
Oh.
after these guys beat us.
No, spiders. No. Yuck, yuck.
Spiders.
No, there aren't any.
Spiders.
Oh no,
Okay,
no,
there's
no,
one
no.
right there.
Yuck. Oh, that was fun though. Thank you for scaring us, guys.
Yes, thank you. All right, guys, well, that was it for the When Darkness Falls Haunted Trail out here at the CERA Park, also called CERAland, I believe. Also under almost a full moon out here tonight, which is glorious. Definitely let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see the full review with ratings for this haunt, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We also have a full national directory of haunted houses everywhere, including in other countries. If you come out to see When Darkness Falls, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. We're gonna head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.